Hello, this is Dan Alford with ARC Specialties. It's April 1st, 2024. Right around this time of year, we come out with some of our most innovative technology. This year is no exception. In the past, we've ignored shielded metal arc or stick welding. It's an older process, but we decided there's room for innovation. So what we've invented is the BatWeld 3000. The BatWeld 3000 is entirely battery powered. This is one of our BatWeld 3000 batteries. It uses trace amounts of antimatter. This one battery will allow you to weld with the BatWeld 3000 over 68 hours on a 1/8 inch electrode and 82 hours with a 3/32 electrode. This technology is revolutionary and it has other applications too.
Welding with the BatWeld 3000 couldn't be easier. All you have to do is attach the ground, insert the welding electrode into the electrode holder, rotate it and clamp the electrode, and then you're ready to weld. This has absolutely smooth DC welding, the most stable arc you'll ever experience with a welding machine. The BatWeld 3000 with its small antimatter battery inside the handle is the most portable and easy to use welding machine you'll ever experience. With the BatWeld 3000, even slag removal becomes easier. You'll be amazed how quickly you're making sound welds on structural materials completely defect-free. Even kids can run the BatWeld 3000. But the BatWeld 3000 is much more than a shielded metal arc welding machine. It's an infinitely variable voltage power supply. You simply remove the ground cable from the BatWeld 3000, insert a 110 volt cable, and you have 20 amps of pure power to drive your hand tools. Power your grinder, your drill, even your boombox directly from the handle of your new welding machine. Our system also provides DC power. Simply remove the AC cord, insert a USB-A connector, and you can charge your cell phone directly from the handle. Using the hyper-intensive voltage from our antimatter battery, you're able to charge your cell phone in less than 2 minutes. Until the energy transition is complete, dead car batteries are simply a way of life. But with a BatWeld 3000, you're able to jumpstart your car easily and quickly. Simply connect the ground to the negative terminal of the battery and connect the electrode holder to the positive terminal. You have now 700 amps of cranking capacity, enough to start any vehicle on the planet. And for those that have embraced the energy transition and purchased an electric car, we still have a problem of depleted batteries. Lithium and cadmium-based battery systems have a finite life. The BatWeld 3000 with its antimatter battery is able to increase the range of your electric vehicle by over 782 miles. You simply purchase the special adapter that fits your car, plug it directly into the charging port, and drive away. Battery maintenance on the BatWeld 3000 is a simple matter. You simply unscrew the electrode holder, drop the battery out, and then once the battery is removed from the device, you place it into a charging station. Any commercially available off-the-shelf flux capacitor charging station will recharge these antimatter batteries in under 18 seconds. Our revolutionary new antimatter battery has a cycle life of 462,000 cycles. This means it will last through your lifetime and can be passed down through the generations. Your grandchildren will be using and welding with this machine long after you're dead. Once again, the scientists of ARC Specialties have come up with a revolutionary technology which goes well beyond welding and will affect everyday life across the globe. This technology is just too good to be true. Leave your comments below.